Hello. Thank you for taking the time to watch this quick tutorial on the common questions usually found on page 3 of your industrial hemp application for 2016. Please note that you will be able to navigate through these slides and pause, play, or repeat any of them as you desire. You will also be able to control the audio on each slide by simply clicking on the gray speaker icon as you navigate different web pages throughout this tutorial. Thank you very much, and completing step 4 will be fairly painless, and we will also complete part of step 5 in the meantime. At the top of page 3, we get started with step 4, providing the legal description of the registered land area. This legal description of the registered land area is something required by rule. Please note that all boxes provided below must be completely filled in, or your application will be regarded as incomplete, and this certainly could delay the processing of your application. Filling in the boxes provided below. Address, city, zip code, and county are the easy ones. We will address how to determine township, range, and section. Add your outdoor acres and or your indoor square footage. For demonstration purposes of this tutorial, we will be using a sample address and 1 acre for demonstration. In order to finish step 4, we will have to move on to step 5. In step 5, there is a section which must be determined for decimal degrees, latitude and longitude for the intended land area to be registered. In order for us to get the decimal degrees, it's necessary that we do a few additional steps. The first step would be to open up your Google Earth application. If you do not have Google Earth, please use the link here on this page and pause the video, download Google Earth onto your hard drive, and open it up. For everybody else who does have Google Earth, please open it now. Okay, great. Now that we're all in Google Earth, there is a section that you will see that you type in your address and you will click search, at which point the map should zoom in to that location. We are going to do a few things here, so don't close this after we're done. It will be utilized for a few more things. On this particular screen, you will see the address that we're using for the demonstration purposes here. You'll also notice there is a yellow tack pin. You will be utilizing the icon in a moment, so please take note of that now. Otherwise, in the meantime, please add your address in to the search bar and click search. Okay, after the search button has been pushed, you will notice a little red icon with the address marker noting your location. What you'll want to do is zoom in, either using your mouse scroller or the plus and minus on the right hand side of your screen to zoom in to the particular section that you will be planning and looking to get the GPS coordinates from the center of the area you're intending to register. Okay, great. Once you've zoomed in to the area that will be registered, we are now going to add our place marker. Remember the little yellow tack? You're going to now use that icon and click on it 1 time. You're going to add that place marker and move it appropriately to the center of the field and or the location that you will be registering and identifying GPS coordinates for. Here's an example of the place marker, the little yellow tack, which we have moved to the center of the area which will be registered and have named it middle because that would be the middle of the field, which is the little square you see in front of you. You'll notice on the window that has popped up, the place marker window, it shows latitude and longitude, which you will go ahead and keep up and copy and paste momentarily as we move on to the next step. Do not close this window. You will need the coordinates in a few seconds. So now that we have our coordinates for the middle of the location that is intending to be registered via Google Earth through the place mark we just placed, we will use that information in a new web page that you will need to open. On this page, you will notice it says convert to decimal degrees. Go here, and in blue there is a link. This is at the bottom of the page in the window showing now. Please click on this link and a window will pop up. You will enter your degrees latitude and your degrees longitude in the format seen here. Please compare and note you do not add north, west, east, or south. Once you are done, please click on Convert to Decimal in the pink area, and you will see that the results are the decimal degrees now in latitude and longitude. You will copy and paste those or write those down and add them to section step 5 on your Hemp application. Here you can see we have added our decimal degrees and copy and pasted them into step 5 of our industrial hemp application. Congratulations, good job. Okay, great. Now that we have figured out our decimal degrees in step 5, we will go back to step 4 and finish that. What we need to do is first go to earthpoint.us, and you can do this by opening a new browser window and typing this in and or clicking on the link in this slide, which should also open up a new window in your browser. Once that window is opened up, look on the left hand side with the navigation menu. You will notice a link that says Township and Range. Please click on Township and Range. Once that area has opened up, you will see a new link that says Search by Lat and Long. Please click on that link that says Search by Lat and Long under Township and Range. Once you have done that, you will want to copy and paste or type in your decimal degree information into the appropriate areas and then click View. As a quick review, using EarthPoint, we will be utilizing the previous decimal degrees we just acquired. We will copy and paste those into EarthPoint into the appropriate areas for latitude and longitude. Once that is entered, click View. Information below will pop up and provide you with the necessary information to complete step 4. Please note the red arrows. This shows you the township, the section, and the range. Congratulations, we have completed step 4. You've added your address, city, zip code, your county in the top sections. You've identified and now also know how to future determine township, range, and sections for later registrations or different areas of land. You have also added the outdoor acres and the indoor square feet you wish to register on this application. You can go ahead and move on to back to step number 5 and finish identifying your boundaries on your map, as well as signing your map and getting those images prepared to send to the CDA.